In today's video, I will walk you through how to contact investing.com support. Running into a technical glitch on your charts or have a question about your Investing Pro subscription? Knowing how to reach out to the right team can save you hours of frustration. Today, we're looking at the exact steps to contact investing.com support efficiently. Investing.com has streamlined its support process around one primary channel, the AI Support Assistant widget.
To start, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for Help and Support section. Then click it. Next, look for the orange Help button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking it opens an interactive chat window. Type in your issue using simple language, such as questions regarding password resets, subscription tiers like ProPix, or chart errors. The assistant provides instant 24/7 automated troubleshooting for common platform roadblocks.
If the automated assistant can't resolve your specific issue, don't worry. The tool is built to seamlessly escalate complex problems. Follow the chat prompts to provide the necessary context. Once validated, the assistant will guide you through officially logging a support ticket for a human specialist to investigate. Keep in mind that support specialists can help with platform navigation, subscription billing, and technical app issues. However, they cannot provide personalized financial advice, trade execution tips, or market forecasts. And that's how to contact investing.com support. Using the Help and Support Center and submitting a detailed support request is the best way to get assistance with account questions, technical issues, and other concerns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.